Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna work on my clunker here, and I'm gonna show you how to fix a flat tire. I have the tools here. I'm gonna show you kind of like what you need to remove a nail and then put a plug on the tire. Let me bring the things here. Alright guys, this is a kit that I got from Amazon. As you can see here, it has pretty much everything you need to plug the tire. It has the actual plugs here, some pliers to remove nails and that kind of stuff, and then this is the tool that you use to insert the plug in the tires, and the reamer to actually open up the hole so the plug will fit. And also important is I have this little compressor here. This is the one that connects to the cigarette lighter, but I've seen all the ones in Amazon that are powered by a lithium-ion battery, which it could be a better option because a lot of cars, if you have a clunker like me, a lot of the cars, the cigarette lighter doesn't work. So maybe one of those battery operated would be the better option. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here with the car. So this is our problem here. You can see the nail right there, and also if we spray some water, you can see it. You can see it bubbling there. So yeah, let's get this out and fix up this tire. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is use a plier and remove the nail. So this one is right here. See if we can get it out. Might take some work, but the good thing is that you don't have to remove the wheel from the car. This is something that you can do. All right, I got it. It's important to keep one of these kits handy in your car, just in case if you find a nail on the road or something. You can do this and fix it. All right, there it is. Okay, so the next step is to use the reamer and open up the hole so the plug can actually fit. So you can twist it around until it goes in. Yeah, do that a couple of times. All right, now we grab one of the plugs. They're very sticky, and we grab the plug tool. This one came with a lubricant for it. So what you do is like you put it inside like this, get some of it, and it's easier to get the plug like inside because it's super sticky. All right, put it kind of like halfway. Right, now you just pull it inside till it goes all the way in. you pull it out. There you go. So you can see the plug is inside, right? What you do now is you cut. The kit comes with a razor blade, but if the kit that you buy doesn't have it, then with a razor blade you can cut the little like remaining pieces of the plug. There you go. Hope you can see it there. How it looks. And now you can grab your compressor and fill the tire back up. All right, now we have the compressor in. It's connected to the valve stem. You can see where the plug was put there. All right, now we're ready to fill the tire. And this is probably gonna take like maybe five minutes because the tire is pretty low. And after that we can check again with the water and the water soap to see if there's any bubbles coming out, but it should be all good. All right, we're good to go. Shut this down. Disconnect the compressor, and there's a plug there. Let's grab the soap with water and give it a test. All right. So as you can see, no bubbles coming out. So this was successful. All right. Well, guys, hope you guys found this useful. Don't forget to grab some of these things and keep it always in your car. It's very important. At least a compressor to have it in your car. And if you can find one of those repair kits, I think I've seen them in Amazon for maybe 16 bucks. And the compressor, you can find this one probably for $20. I think the ones battery operated are a little bit more expensive, but they're not more than probably $40. And they're definitely lifesavers, right? If something happens on the road, at least you have something, you know, that can help you keep going. So appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.